Oh my god, that sucks! What a goddamn snafu. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rim Vlog. We got Christmas right around the corner. And on today's episode, we find Nicole's Christmas gift. What Nicole really wants for Christmas is for me to cut my hair. I haven't had a haircut in 3 years. It was 3 Halloweens ago, and that was the last time I cut this hair. Nicole doesn't like this hair. In fact, I'm pretty sure she completely hates my hair. That's a problem because it's nice to still be 38 years old and have a full head of hair. It's nice to be able to do things with your hair. I can do this little half-ass afro. I can do a big afro. I can do cornrows. There's not much I can't do with my hair. All day I see people who are stuck with one hairstyle. People who would kill to have my curls. And Nicole wants them gone. Nicole, this is what I'm gonna do for you. I'm gonna do it right around Christmas. As part of your Christmas gift, I'm gonna cut my hair. The other part of your Christmas gift is probably a little bit more for me than it is for you. So Nicole has been bugging me for a gym membership for about 2 years now. When we first started dating, I got her a membership to 24-hour fitness when it was across the street. This was probably about like 3 years ago. And she barely used her gym membership. So that's why I've been hesitant for the last 3 years to get her anything that resembles a gym membership, because she was just gonna waste that money by not going to the gym. Well, lately, she has been doing a great job at working out at home. She does all these fitness videos and all these crunch exercises and butt exercises and all that stuff. Leanne, the run, that she's been doing all of the running, even though, you know, she loses to me every time we go on a run by a lot. So she has been showing that she's willing to work out. That's why, as part of her gift, I am getting her a membership to 24-hour fitness. This location just opened up about a month ago after a year-long layoff. And it is awesome. All right, workout complete. Now that my workout's done, it's time to go see Long Beach Leah so we can't do something about this hair. Alright, I'm here at my spot, Victorious. Time to get my hair did. And so it begins. We're here at Victorious. I got my hair conditioned and it's about to go down. I just ooze sex, don't I? This is me at the halfway point.
Me too.
You could just leave it like that. I could look like some weird, I don't know what you would call that. How are we doing back there?
Good. One more braid. Almost finished.
I don't know what it is, but there's just something missing. much better. Alright, so before I go get Nicole's Christmas gift, we're gonna go to the Salvation Army. We got a couple bags for them. But that's not the only thing we have for them. We also have this thing. It's supposed to let you microwave eggs and make little omelets. It sucks, but we're gonna give that away. We got not one, but 2 different blenders, a water-resistant jacket, and I think another blender in there. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go drop these off at the Salvation Army. And I almost forgot, a little cooler. Everybody wins. So it turns out this is actually Goodwill, not the Salvation Army. The whole time I've always been dropping stuff off and I thought it was the Salvation Army. This is the membership I'm getting for Nicole for Christmas. 2 years, all club sport membership. If you do the math, it's way better to get it from here than it is to go to the actual 24-hour fitness. And you don't have to sign an initiation fee, you don't have to sign your life away, you just 2 years, you're good to go. This is the way I've been doing it for years. It's the best way to do it. It comes out to probably like $13 or $14 a month. If you do it the other way, you're probably paying somewhere up around $40 per month. This is the way to go. So we continue Christmas shopping for Nicole. I'm headed down to the Nike outlet store, which is actually right down the street. And to continue with the working out theme for Christmas for Nicole this year, I am gonna go get her some workout gear and some shoes, and maybe we'll see what else we can find at the Nike store. I think that's the combo we're going with. Today we say goodbye to the cornrows. Bye-bye. Alright, so I've untangled the bottom part. And I have to say, kind of reminds me of Jean-Claude Van Damme in the movie Hard Target. What do you think? So in case you were wondering what it looks like after I take a shower. It's like 3 guys came over here and shaved their pubes. I rock rough and stuck with my afro puffs. Alright, so I got everything for Christmas for Nicole. First we have a 2-year membership to 24 Hour Fitness. Then I got her some tights from Nike. They are, I guess, gold. On the mannequin in the store, it looked really good on the ass, so that's really why I got them. Plus the Nike sports bra. Plus the Nike tank top. We got gifts for Nicole. And then we also got her these new Nike shoes. If you look, the little swoosh kind of changes color there. So if we get the right angle, it's kind of the same, right, Ive? From work, I got a box of Don Julio 1942. Hush. Which is really expensive booze. I'm gonna put this, and the sports bra in here with the 2-year membership. Sure, it's a little deceptive on my part, but you gotta make them think you're weak when you're really strong.
And you didn't break your hand. Make them think you're weak when you're strong.
Wrap it up too good, she's gonna expect perfection every single time. That's why you do the worst wrapping job you could possibly ever do. Merry Christmas, Nicole. All right. So I just had a major snafu. Yesterday, I went to my girl Long Beach Leah to do my hair, recorded a whole bunch of stuff. I had time lapses on my hair getting done. I had me explaining why I was getting my hair cut in the first place, everything. This is the result. I now have a mohawk. Thank you, Long Beach Leah. But before I uploaded the footage, I deleted it from my camera. I had it all. I had the actual haircut. I had Nicole's reaction. I had everything. Oh my God, that sucks! Oh, shit! And I just deleted it all. What a goddamn snafu. Everything I recorded yesterday. Everything! I'm a goddamn dumbass. Well, I have a haircut. I no longer have my hair. I now have a mohawk. That was, for the most part, the final haircut that has eluded me. If there's a positive side, it was that I had 2 cameras going. My other GoPro was capturing just the whole thing as a time lapse. So at least I have that. But I don't have the nuance of the video of me talking and getting my reaction to my hair coming out. I hadn't gotten a haircut in 3 years. God damn it, I f***ed that up. Shit! Did I f*** that up? Ah! I am so upset right now. So upset. I guess the lesson to be learned here is don't delete your footage until you're 1,000,000% sure that you got it on your computer or on a hard drive or something. God damn, this was 3 years in the making of me not getting a haircut. Shit. This is like missing the money shot. Goddamn money shot, and I deleted it. I even had her reaction. So I had this on, and I tricked her a little bit by just slowly revealing the side of it so you couldn't see what else was going on. She thought I shaved my head, and then saw that I didn't shave my head, that she had a very disappointed look on her face. There's no reaction shot. It's just a reaction of me being pissed off about deleting my footage. Alright, so like I said yesterday, I hit a major snafu by deleting all that footage that I shot of my hair getting done. But the last part of the gift for Nicole for Christmas, my hair. That's another reason why I was so upset about deleting that footage, because I had my reaction to being able to keep all my hair. She wanted my hair cut, she can have the hair. So this is the bag we're putting it in. So put a little weight in there, and then all my hair. Like I said before, I snafu'd the shit out of my footage, so I don't have some awesome reactions, but let's see what kind of reactions we get out of seeing her Christmas gifts. What do you think it is?
I have no idea. Looks like a big bottle of whiskey or something. It's tequila?
We'll open it up.
Oh my god, is this a gag?
Look at that gag. No, look at the expensive ass bottle of tequila.
Yeah! Woohoo! Thank you.
You didn't even know what it is.
A membership.
A membership to where?
The gym.
So you can finally get your ass in shape?
My ass is just sort of in shape. What are these? These are crazy cute. I like it. Very simple and basic.
You're basic.
This is super cute.
I guess she wasn't very tricked by the bottle of tequila.
Nice. Ooh, these are cute. I see the theme of sparkle. Ooh, these are really cute. I like these a lot.
And then here's the best gift of all. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? It's a little puppy in there. What is it? What is it?
This is so gross. Your hair. Or it's a wig or something. I'm assuming it's your hair. It feels so weird.
You wanted me to cut my hair? So, there you go. You got my hair.
Thank you, babe.
Yeah.
Now look at yourself. You're so weird. But I love you. Thank you.
Not weird. You wanted my hair gone, you got my hair.